Okay, so we know what a credit score is.
Mhm.
We have to be around 600 or higher
600 higher
currently.
currently.
That fluctuates.
That does, depending on the market. So it's a risk thing. So right now, with everybody potentially losing their jobs because of COVID, they've tightened up what they'll allow people to do a loan on. The banks are trying to protect themselves because, like any business, you want to make sure you're not going to go out of business.
Right.
So if too many people default on their mortgages, it creates a big problem, and they just don't want to deal with that. So yeah, they've tightened up right now. They've tightened up to about 600 and higher as
Okay.
a credit score.
Why are people right now saying that they can't, like COVID has stopped refinancing? Is Are people
Hasn't
still
stopped
able to
refinancing.
refinance?
It's just raised the bar it's raised the credit score that you have to do that.
Okay,
And then there are self-employed situations where
right.
you have to prove currently what you're making versus just having 18 and 19 tax returns. Now you have to show what are you doing now. So it's become a little more challenging, but it's there. And in fact, refinancing is still ticking along like it's never like these are record numbers this year for refinancing. I think
Well,
every four loans out there, like 2 to 3 are refinancing.
oh my God.
Yeah.
Yeah, interest rates are so low,
Yeah. I mean, yeah.
which then boosts buying power.
Yes.
Buyers
Buy a
become
bigger home and afford
superheroes.
more. Yeah. It's
Yep,
amazing.
it is amazing. Okay, so we touched a little bit on what lending and refinancing looks like in
Yeah.
COVID times.
Yes.
I know that's been a really hot topic, but people are still getting loans. People are still refinancing. This is
Definitely.
not, and the myth about, this 2-year perfect work history,
Right.
that it has to be at the same place. We busted that.
Yes.
That's not the case, because I think that's something people are panicking
Yeah.
because they're getting laid off or they're
Mhm.
having to pivot
Exactly.
due to COVID,
To another job, and then they're fine.
and they're okay,
Mhm.
and they can still get a home loan,
Exactly.
and they can still refinance.
Yep.
Okay. To be clear,
Yeah.
everything, deep breaths, everyone's still okay.
And just, if you're not sure, like you were saying earlier, call.
Call.
Just call.
Call.
It's easy as that.
Yep. You can send me a text message, and I can send your information to Jim if you don't want to be the one to reach out, and he will reach out to you.
Exactly.
And I can tell you from experience, he's prompt and good and easy and friendly.